Okay, so this is just going to be kind of like a vibe video. I'm just doing something that I think I don't know. I'm going to be trying to remake my little DVD bouncer thing in Love 2D. Um it I don't know anything about it apart from it uses Lua and I really like Lua. I have sound off on like the on my actual desktop because I'm going to be watching a Tizoding video on my other screen while doing this. Just like a random video. I like to put them on the background. So let's get on. Okay, so where do I go? Love2D.org. Um, see Windows, Linux. Okay, there is an app image, but I can't open app images, and there's a Ubuntu PPA. Okay, does Renee have it? Really? So where am I supposed to get it? Flat Hub? Oh, hey, OBS. Wait, what? Sensor. Why? Why? Oh my gosh, okay. Love 2D. Aha. Okay. Okay. So is this updated over 2 years ago? No, it's not. Um, Crap. So I have to build it myself. Okay. 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 Test suite contributing compilation. Okay. CMake. Okay. I did not like CMake. CMake doesn't support. Okay. Pretty sure. Yeah. 3 of 15 or earlier? Okay, love. SDL3. Okay. Think it's libsdl3? Yes, I guess correctly. Oh, nice, no build depths. So this'll take a while. It's building pretty fast. Vulcan. I don't know. SDL2 is still my goat. Before going further, I should go. Dependencies, OpenGL, OpenAL. I do have Lua. Actually comes with T2. It's used for build system. I'm pretty sure I have so many, except for OpenAL. Time to figure out if he yells at me. Yeah, I don't have OpenAL. Um, okay. Nice. Okay. There's Loki Entertainment. That sounds familiar. Bro, what? Okay, yeah, just OpenAL. No. Nice no depths. Looks kind of weird outside. Uh, so it's been basically overcast the entire day here, and like the whole sky has just been gray all day. Cause last night it stormed really badly, and to show you how. I mean, I can't really show you, but like I can. So like it storms so like there next to my house, there's a field, and it kind of like dips below where the road goes, and there's nowhere for the water to go. It's a pretty big field, and that basically the entire thing is filled up with water. But like not the whole field, just like the little dip that goes below the road, but like the road itself isn't flooded. So it rained like pretty hard last night, and it's just been gray all day. And right now it's like yeah 8:35, sun is starting to set. The sky has like a little bit of red hue to it from due to sun setting. What do you mean? Find mod plug. What is mod plug? Packages mod plug. Mod plug. Lib mod plug. Okay. 0.9 point, what is it? 0.8.9.0. There we go. That's fast. What now? Theora. I think that's lib Theora. Oh wait, it's right next to it. Uh, okay, yeah, lib Theora. I was just checking if I recording. Usually, oh yeah. Usually on OBS, there's a little like red dot on the little icon right here. and I didn't see that. I was like, oh crap, am I not recording? So, and but then I just saw like over here, it is on. Should be it? Well, what? Luajit? It wants me to use Luajit. Son. But I can still. What? What do you mean? You can't do math? What? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Luajit. Luajit. I love OG Lua. Is there? Okay, there is an issue about it. 1771. Um, this is not scenic stuff. Yes. What? What? MIPS Linux? What are you yapping about? Windows uses DLoveJit off. Okay. Because I love my OG. Hooray! Okay. Now with that. Wrong one. All time. Uh-oh. Lua CP call was not declared. Do you mean Lua P call? What is Lua CP call? Lua CP call. Okay. Calls the function func in the C function func. Okay, Lua CP call returns as P call. So CP call and P call are the same. Okay. Okay, 185. 185. And data. Okay. Oh no. More errors. Requires 4 arguments only. Oh. This is not found. In the Lua environment is not set correctly or it does not support this function, ensure you compatible version of Lua. Okay. Is there like a CMake clean? How CMake it clean? What do you mean no? So OG make, not CMake. Info? Info CMake. I hate CMake. Wait, if it's just putting everything in build, then just but does it? What special sauce does it need? Dash. What is okay? So B build. I'll put it in. Okay. Install prefix. I'll put in opt. Opt love. Ah. Okay. I do have Luagit now, so it just. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. Yeah, there's just a make file. And of course it didn't work. Because I didn't I didn't fix it. Okay. 186. Seems to be a boat building. But what are the differences between Java and C++? Between Lua and Lua JIT apart from JIT. Well, no duh. Just in time for Lua 5.1. Oh, is that? That's probably why. Lua 5.1 probably didn't know how to do math. Yeah, I remember that. Hold on, so Lua JIT print 1 plus 2. I have to do that? Why? So, let's see, A equals 1, B equals 2, and then print 1, A plus B is 3. Whoop-de-doo! I am absolute visualing right now, and I haven't even started. Okay. Nice. Okay. No, I don't have. I need a fish. RC. It's in .config fish. Config.fish. Because use the fish shell, not bash. Oh, how to add to a path in fish. Fish add path for config fish. Thank you. Wow, so very helpful. It's like, oh yeah, you can put it in this file, but it didn't tell me how. There's a simple way to add more directories to path. This is done given that. This is not. What is this? Fish user paths prepended to the path. This is not helping me. I don't want to use bash. I don't really like bash. Oh, I just add okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Opt love bin. So now I exit. Enter should have love. Crap. Okay. Oh, cell DD. Um, liblove 12 dot 0 dot so. It's in opt love lib 64. Yeah, it's right there. Something I learned is that sometimes that will work. No. Crap. Okay. Maybe somebody has already figured out what's wrong. Can I just... Oh, my... Okay. Because I don't want to set my path to a build directory. Hooray! Okay. Duck. Balloon duck. Okay. Has anybody figured this out? Ah. Okay. Okay. LD library path. Okay. LD library. And is not set. Okay. I really do not liking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I really do not like Bash. I guess I have to use it. Uh, okay. Oh, is that a script? And yeah. Oh, wow. Thank you, Renee. Thank you. For X in user X11, use an opt bin. Thank you, Renee. Thank you. Okay. Do I have a dash RC? I do not. Okay. I'm gonna check the bash RC on my laptop because my laptop has a cool bash RC. Here, I'll do Etsy profile first, see if it has any special sauce in there. Um, bash RC. Okay. If X bash version. What is bash version? Okay. Echo bash. Okay, so that's constant. So I'll add that to my Etsy profile. To where's it already? Okay. Um added by VM Unix. Okay, if X bash version equals X, then source bash RC. Oh, no, that's not how you do it. Okay, if dash F dot bash RC and dot Etsy. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, I don't need that because it already basically is a if statement with the two. Okay. Yeah, because these two ands is run the next command if the previous one succeeded. So this does look for if this file exists. And then if it exists, then run this command. Absolute coding. And then I'll put 5. And then bash RC. What is in my bash RC? If we're not running interactively, don't do anything. Okay. Okay. Alias grep equals grep dash color. Alias egrep equals egrep color equals auto. And alias fgrep fgrep dash color auto. And then alias ll equals ls-l alias la equals ls-a alias l equals ls-cf alias ls to ls, there's your color. Okay. Where does PS1 get set? I'm guessing PS1. Okay. Profile DSH. What's my PS1 set to? Echo PS1. Okay, so that's what my PS1 is. What's M system? Echo $M system. Nothing. Okay. Okay. So it's P PS1 equals backslash this E0 WA new line E 32M slash what the heck U at H E 35M backslash E 0M E 33M W E 0M N new line $sign. Oh yeah, because it doesn't have. I didn't put a period. Ooh. It looks very similar to my laptop, but my laptop doesn't have that. Oh yeah, something cool I found is reverse searching. So it's okay, forward bracket. Okay, so it's to that. Closing that. Um, so it's okay. I'll try and make it. It's okay. Okay. Uh, yeah, this. I don't need that. There we go. There we go. But now there's no, okay. There we go. I made Bash look amazing. Okay. So yeah, there's that. Oh, if I do that, okay, so it's LD library path. LD library path. And there's nothing. Okay. Opt love lib 64. Oh my gosh, I got it to work. Okay. So I did see that zoning did do like a little thing on it, and I do know that you do need to make a directory with main.lua. With main.lua. Okay. So now I can love test. Okay, so main.lua. So so how do I get started? If you're making anything with like lots of functions, I highly suggest doing what Raylib does, where on their website they have a cheat sheet. They have a cheat sheet, and it just lists all the functions and what it does. That is the best thing that you could probably do. But this is like Raylib expects C, and the only language I'm good at is um Lua, and I suck at C. Like C is scarier than SCP containment breach. Okay. Ah, that's how you do it. Okay. 800 by 600. Okay, so what is 403? Oh, I'm guessing that's like the pixels. So what I'm guessing is that easiest if easy things to do is to draw what you're thinking. So what I am thinking, ow, ow, ow. How do I change background color? The heck? I don't, I did this before, but I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So how do I how do I change the color on this? Um, oh, canvas. I don't know how to read. Okay, so what I think it does. So, son, can I not choose? Oh, okay. What I think it does is so this is the window, and then this is some text. What I think it does is it takes the coordinates of the top left corner. So that's probably what 400, 300 is. And that's the coordinates from there. It works, but I mean, there's not really much else you can really do about it. I mean, you can like set like an option to like automatically center text in the center of the screen and then like, move it up by like so many pixels. That would be like super convenient, but uh they just don't feel like doing that. Okay. So first program will probably be getting this and then trying to make it resizable and have it be in the center. Okay. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be right. So love dot. Yes, okay. And I cannot resize this window. And there is Hello World. And it's untitled. Okay. So I need to figure out where, okay. There was, I mean, I know Lua. So, where's graphic? So, this is, this is seeping into a little bit of Java right here. So, if you ever went to, uh, look at Java, see how it has three dots. So system.out.println. That I find that super annoying because you don't need to split it up if you name everything well. Like that's why I liked G Lua GFX. This is why I love Lua GFX so much because everything was pretty intuitive to how it works. How what it says is what it does. But like it's not like, "Oh yeah, you have to go into oh yeah, you have to go into the system because it's doing stuff with the system, and then you have to do output, and then you have to print this line." Like you don't need this part because of course it's running on the system. Where else would it be running? And of course, if you're wanting to print something, it'll probably be to the terminal, which will be output. That is so stupid. Like, if you wanted to do a variable, like if you wanted to print something to a variable, then you should do what Lua does. A equals variable. That's how you should do it. Not with freaking this. This is stupid. Anyways, so I'm guessing. So wait, there's love.video and loves.graphics? What's the difference between the two? What's the difference between graphics and video? Probably like video rendering, like MP4 files? I don't know. Okay. So, okay. How do I how to make a window resizable in love? Okay. Love.window.set mode. Okay. Okay. Height width flags. Um, let's see. Using this method, what's okay, sets the play if width or height is 0, we use the height, width and height of the desktop. Changing display mode. If side effect canvases, blah blah blah. Using this method, clear any not resizable window up. Hmm. Ah, okay. 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 Uh, use spaces instead of tabs. Okay. Set mode 800 by 600 resizable true. Okay, min width, min height. I'm gonna change this. Okay, love window set mode. That's what I don't like, cause I hate when capitalizations or underlines are in a program language. I mean, I'm new to program languages, but I hate when there's symbols in the program language because I feel like it's interrupt because people say program language are like you're an artist. Well, that's like um uh, my art. One of my arts is like writing an article, but like that's like oh now that it's hard to explain. It just slows me down. It feels like I'm trying to talk, but I'm stuttering every now and then because I have to put down a symbol. I mean, I get why like there's brackets and like these, but why should there be capitalization? That's one more thing. And like if I'm coding something and something big and then like a long new feature, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna forget about that. That's also why I don't entirely like C++ plus plus because um there's just too many capitalizations. Like I just like no case at all. Like we're just all one word, but only put like dashes if you need them. Like if you really need them. Like if you like really need them. 'Cause like I can 'cause I can read that perfectly fine. Like I don't need to be like the quick dot brown. Oh yeah, make sure that's capitalized. Fox jumps. Gotta make sure the so is capitalized. The I mean, I just feel like I'm speaking the language from uh the language from that one SpongeBob episode where he goes to the bottom of the sea. Okay. 800, 600, resize, resizable, true, and that should be it. Okay. Okay, now I do have a resizable window. Never mind. Oh, okay. So why can't so okay. Is it because of this? No. Okay. I can't move it. Um, yeah, I'll set it like 100 by 100. Why not? Why can't I move it? Um, love.conf may have more expected. Hmm. Hmm. I have no clue why I can't resize. Okay. Resizable hello world in resizable window. Window love. It's on the forums. This is for scaling. What if this guy's profile picture is obeying and so does this guy's. What the heck? Is love a cult or something? It's like, how do... It's like, it shows up and lets me, and I can do it full screen. But, yeah, it's not letting me resize it. Um, lo love window. No, no. Why does a window in love not resize though the flag, even though it is enabled? Ensure. What does that mean? Allow. What? This is not freaking love. Okay. This is not love either. This is that's Java. What the heck? Um. Oh, do I have to do 0? No, it just the heck. Okay, I think it's fine if I do like 800 by 600 windows. But it's the same freaking. What the? Huh? I don't know. I think 1024 by 768 is good. Okay. Okay, so okay, so what's the default? Okay, it's that size. That's good enough. Okay, so I have the ability, I have the power to use an image. Um, okay. DVD logo. Should I do DVD? Oh, that sounds like a good idea. So there's Penger.city and there's a lot, like a lot. And I'm thinking that every time it hits the corner to to change the picture to a different one. So I'll start with the normal, yeah, the original one. That will be one. First, how to there's so let's see. Let's see. Love image. Okay, functions, enums, drawable image, get data, create the image, image formats. Um, hmm. Creates a new image, but I want to load an image. Okay, this is not telling me how to load an image in Love. Okay. Oh, new image. What? What? It's all you can encode image. I saw encoding images, and I was like, oh, that's probably to make a new image and output it to a file. No, create a new image. Is that what I creates a new image from? Oh my gosh. Oh. Draw a penger on the screen. Oh, P1. because there's gonna be a lot. I'll just copy it. It's pictures, Penger. Crap, I'll just copy them all here. Okay, can it load GIFs? Because I know Rayload can. And love game engine. Does not. Okay. How big is this already? Oh. Oh yeah, because they're all PNGs. And they're all like less than 100 by 100. Okay. Is that it? Yeah, Penger. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. He's right there. He's right there! Oh my gosh, I wish I had Zoomer, but none of the freaking Zoomer applications work on Wayland and KDE at the same time. Okay. How do I make it move? How do I make it move? How am I gonna make it go? Pew? Oh, move. Bezier curve. Okay. 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 Okay, that's good. Function love update. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I got it. Function love update. DT. Um, okay. X equals X plus 1 equals plus step. Y equals Y plus step. And for right now, step will be equal to 1. So now the X, Y. Attempt to do arithmetic on global X, a nil value. Ah, okay. Local. No, I can't do. Okay. So, how did Lua GFX do it? You apply. No. Okay, files changed. Okay. X equals 0, Y equals 0. Oh my gosh! There he goes. And he's off the window. Okay. Okay. Now it should be pretty easy. So, what is the default window height? Isn't it 800 by 600? I think it says it's, yeah, 800 by 600. So, and then, so if x equals, if x is greater than 800, right, then step equals -1. End. And then, what? And then if, okay. Oh, okay, okay. It's supposed to be dx and dy. I'm stupid. Okay, dx equals 1, dy equals 1. So they're supposed to be independent of each other, because when it hits the bottom, it's just going to go in reverse. Okay. Oh, it's 800 by 600, so it's 600 vertical. Hmm. Note to VM Unix. This is 800 by 600 VM Unix. That did not do anything. Okay. Okay. Um. So maybe if x is greater than 600, then dx equals -1. And he's not listening. Wait. So that's why. Because I failed math. It's supposed to be y. Y is vertical, X is horizontal, and always X then Y. If y is greater than 600, then dy equals -1. End. Absolute measuring. Okay, I think I could change this to a function. So, function collision collision detection, and I'll put this, if y is greater than 600, then dy to -1, and I can spell end correctly, even though I've been speaking English my whole life. I still don't know how to speak English. So, collision detection. That is so peak. Okay, let's see. Bottom corner hitting. Bottom corner. No. Hitting bottom. So I want to like cycle between the pictures. But I think I should get collision detection done for. So if x is greater than 800, then dx equals -1. Hitting left, left, right side. And then if y is less than 1 or 0, then dy equals 1 and hitting top. And if x is less than 0, then dx equals 1 and hitting left side. Shouldn't see him make a full bounce around. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing round the room, bouncing, bouncing, bouncing round the room, and I awoke, faintly bouncing round the room, the echo of whomever spoke, and I awoke, faintly bouncing round the room, the echo of. Okay, I got a lot. Okay, so it's down, but I need to make sure that's hitting the right places, because right now it only changes where it's going when it hits the top left corner. And I want it so that it changes whenever it hits something. So I need to do some like getting the size of a picture. Okay, how to get the size of a picture in Lua. No, in Love Game Engine. What? Mm, load image if exists. Ooh, okay. Okay. That might that sounds like cool, but I have to like figure out how many pictures. So, okay, so local info equals love get love file system get info. If info, then new image path. Okay, I think I can figure out. So, what it's going to have to be is PNGs, and they're gonna have to be like 1, 2, 3, 4 dot PNG. Actually, no, because they don't have to have to be PNGs actually. Um, I don't know how to implement that because I need to have like a dynamic way of loading images, or I think I can get away with just 10. I think I can get away with just 10. Okay. So P2 equals love graphics. New image. What's a image? By Krieger. And then um okay, what I need to do. Ooh, I had a really bad idea. That might be five brain. Um called detect equals then that wouldn't work because it's a different one for each. No, it would. Because I just put it in a little thing afterwards. Call detect would be uh let's see. Then I need to increment the picture somehow. So that might work. What I'm thinking is to have it as P and then set the next letter as a variable, but I don't think that would work. Okay, call detect. How do I change to a different? How do I change to a different picture when it hits? When on the if statements? Okay. Okay. How to change. I think I might have to load the image, the this part in an if statement itself. But that sounds stupid. Hmm. Okay. I'm not sure how to do this. Okay. I think, okay, I have to look this up. How to change a picture on an if statement in love. Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, so this is some good in okay. Slapping variable is true when you press X. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Pick update function. So I basically now need to just copy this, but I need to replace this. So by default, picture will be 1. And then now I need to now put picture plus 1 plus 1 picture plus 1 picture plus 1, and then if picture is greater than 2, then picture equals 1, and okay, so to prevent overflowing. And then pick update. And then I now just change this to picture. I can't, I don't think I can do that. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. I mean, I could, but it'd be so freaking complicated. So the way I am thinking of doing this is implementing like a list of variables and then assigning those names a number and then using that variable that using that variable for the picture. Ooh, I think I got it. Okay. Okay. I think I got it. So if if picture equals one, then end, and then if picture equals two, then love graphics draw P2 X Y end. I don't know if this will work. Line 23. Okay. Um, do I have to split it? 24. Okay, I got it. Because you can't do that. You have to do picture equals picture plus one. Because it's just like that. 39. Yeah. Wait, 39. If picture equals one, then was it? Yeah, what was it complaining about? Then expected near equal sign. Yeah, if picture equals one, then use this and um and then but why is that in red? 39. It doesn't like that. If a variable equals one, then yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a Lua thing. I forgot. You have to do two equal signs. What? Oh, this is elif? No. Else else if. There. Tap to index a global live and nil value. 12. Oh. Absolute best shooting! Why did it not bounce back? Why? Okay, I think I can segment these. Not segmentation fault these into their own beings. Okay, so it changes picture, but then it doesn't bounce back. Okay, hitting right side. Collision. Yeah, collision detection and pick update. Okay, so it runs and it does collision detection. So if y is greater than wait, x equals so hold on, x2 equals x, y2 equals x. No, y2 equals y. Is that what I think is going on? Because I think that everything goes downhill. What the heck? It just disappeared. I just don't know why it so like it bounces and then it just doesn't bounce off this side. If picture equals to and x y. Okay. I am genuinely dumbfounded. I think I don't know. here. I'm genuinely dumbfounded. And this will be the only time I do this for Lua because I genuinely do not know what is going on. I am trying to make something akin to the DVD, and I am to add cycling, cycling the picture every time it hits one of the sides. It works when hitting the, but after hitting the bottom, it keeps on going to the right. What am I doing wrong? What is going on? Okay. Once y become it stays true on, okay, stays true on every single frame until y back under 600, your collision detection flips dy to -1, so it starts decreasing, but that takes from take effecting for that. Frame keeps firing way past 2, so after then either condition matches anymore, so nothing gets drawn. The ball image, that's why collision detection gets thrown out the window. Bounce logic. Collision detection is actually working fine, but you just can't see the sprite anymore. Oh, okay. It's to only increment once per bounce. Oh, okay. 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 So I just need to delete all this. So, okay. So now it's okay. Picture equals picture plus one, and picture if picture is greater than 2, then picture equal 1, and 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 then now I need to call it here. 17. Line 17. If picture is greater than 2, what does it do? If picture, then picture equals 1. There we go. But now it's just Krieger. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's updating every frame. That's not good. Stupid. No space? Question mark. No, it's still doing it. So it's loading each picture like one after the other on every single frame. I think, equal picture plus 1 equals picture plus 1. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I think that's why. That's why. Because it's still here in update. Absolute measuring. The absolute measuring. It works. But now I have to set it to be. Now I have to figure out, like, calculate the size of the picture. Actually, I might not do that. Um, pic size equals. They're 64 by 64, I think. Mm, open image in new tab. No, it's 32 by 32. So if y minus 32, I don't know if this will work. Should. Or should it be plus? Yes. 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 Okay. Mm, okay. I need some more 32 pixels. So what is the image viewer I have? Ocular. Um, I can't I can't figure out. Okay. Um, 32 by 34. Why? Why? Mm, Adelaide. Yeah, Adelaide. Okay, P3 equal love graphics new image. Okay, if picture is greater than pick max 3. If picture is greater than pick max. I don't want to do that. Okay, that's one. Hooray. I want to get at least 10. At least 10. Okay, Twitch Penger is good size. Uh, Okay, X, Y, and I need to edit pick max. Yay. I'm just gonna go ahead and add them all without testing. Okay, 10 pictures. Um, Sonic is 30 by 34 by 34. This is 256 by 256. This is 32 by 32, so mustache. Okay. Okay, mustache. Miku. Miku's 32 by 32. Michael, 32 by 32. P8. Mad, 32 by 32. P9. I want to do gun. The last two will be gun and firefighter. P10 of graphics, new image. Where's it? Right here. Yes. Okay. Now, if picture greater than 5, then love graphics. Oh, okay. No, that wouldn't. B5X, Y, and if picture equals 6, love graphics, draw. Draw. And, um, if picture 8, then love graphics, draw. P8X, Y, and if picture equals 9, love graphics, draw. P9, X, Y, and if picture equals 10, love graphics, draw. P10, X, Y, and okay, moment of truth. Okay, first picture, second picture, third picture, fifth picture, sixth picture, seventh picture, eighth picture, ninth picture. No, that's not right. Yeah, that went through all the pictures and then it should go back to the OG. Yes. And that's basically it. I'm gonna clean this up and then put this on GitHub. Okay, so it's everything except for that, and that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Okay, Madger, Gunger, Fire. Oh, and Adelager. Okay, 9, Krieger. Okay, I can. There we go. Works like a dream. Okay, I'm gonna set how to set window title in love. Okay, love window set title. Returns nothing. And then I'll just put this at the end. Absolute fashioning. How do I set the? I want to set the icon to Penger. Set icon. Window icon in love. Set icon. I'll just set it P1. Image data expected got texture. Can I not? Image data expected dot string. Uh, uh, what? Oh, does it have to be an ICO? Does it have to be an ICO image? P1. Set icon, image data, bad argument, set icon. Anybody else have this? Well, no, duh. Does it have to be an ICO? What's image data? Sets window icon image. Any fuse will have the default love application icon and file explorer game distribution for step change icon. Ah, Windows icon. That's Windows icon. App images, Android. Freaking really? Okay. So I'll just have the default Wayland icon, but oh, oh, die. It works. Okay. I'm going to make a GitHub repository for this. New repository. Penger bouncer. Penger's bouncing. Um, MIT license, sure. Okay. Penger bouncer. Let's see, Penger bouncer. CPV dot love test to here, and then read me. Got marked down. Finger bouncer. This was just a little thing I made on for fun one night. Love 2D. Just cd into the cloned directory and run. Love dot. Just run love dot. And it should start. You can do a little hacking and code in some pictures yourself, but they should probably be these small pictures since the deep window size is 800 by 600 and all the Penger pictures are 32 by 32. Okay, credit. Zoning. Hey, no. Making video. Let's see. Penger. Okay, where I got all the Pengers. And how do I add a link and get it marked down? I think it's like that. And get markdown. Ah, links. I put it the opposite. It should be fine. Yeah, I put it backwards. That, yeah, love 2D making game engine for this Lua. Lua. No buildings. I'll just link to his GitHub account because people could find the rest of his links from there. Also, I'm still watching Zoding on my other monitor. Love2d.org. Yes. And then I know it's just lua.org. Okay. Mm, copy over. Get. There's a little script. Just so I don't have to type it out. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Well, that didn't. Okay. I don't care. Should work. No. What the heck? Huh? What? Why? Oh my gosh. Love2d.org. And Lua. Yes. Fix links. Okay. That should be it. And so, in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.